Dear students, in the last section we have seen some problems on trains. In this section we will see remaining problems on trains. We have seen important facts and formulas of trains, and we have seen two problems. Now we will start with the third one. A man is standing on a railway bridge which is a 180 meter long. He finds a train crosses the bridge in 20 seconds but himself in 8 seconds. So find the length of the train and its speed. So let the length of the train is x meter. Okay, the length of the bridge is 180 meter. Okay, so the train covers x meters in 8 seconds and x plus 180 meters in 20 seconds. Okay, so here we will write down the relationship as distance upon time. As we know, speed is equal to distance upon time. So speed of the train is same in both the cases, for crossing the man as well as for crossing the platform. So we will write the relationship as x upon 8, that is speed is equal to x plus 180 upon 20. Okay, so this is the relationship between these. So we will solve this equation. So it is, we will cross multiply this, so it is 20x into 8 plus x plus 180. So 20x is equal to 8x into 18 into 8, 8 is 64, 8 1 is 8, 1440. Okay, so here the x is equal to 120. So length of the train is 120 meter. Now speed of the train. So what is the formula of speed? Speed is equal to distance or length upon time. So speed is equal to length is the length of the train is 120 divided by 8 meter per second. So it is 15 meter per seconds. We will convert this in kilometer per hour. So it is 15 into 18 by 5. So 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 54. So the speed of the train is 54 kilometer per hour. Next problem is, a train 150 meter long is running with a speed of 68 kilometer per hour. So in what time will it pass a man who is running at 8 kilometer per hour in the same direction in which the train is going? So both the man as well as the train is going in the same direction. So speed, relative speed of the train is subtraction of their speed. So it is 68 minus 8 is 60 kilometer per hour. So we will convert in meter per second. So we have to multiply by 5 by 18. So it is 50 by 3 meter per second. So time taken by the train to cross the man is equal to time taken by it to cover the 150 meter, as we know, and but the speed is the relative speed of that train. Okay, so here time is equal to distance or length upon speed. So it is 150 divided by 50 by 3. So the next form of this is 150 into 3 upon 50. So it is 9 seconds. Okay, so it requires 9 seconds to cross the man. Now the next example. A train 220 meter long is running with a speed 59 km per hour. In what time will it pass a man who is running at 7 km per hour in the direction opposite to that in which the train is going? Okay, so here the relative speed is as the man and the train is going in the opposite direction, so relative speed is the addition of the speed of the train as well as speed of that man. So it is 59 plus 7, so it is 66 kilometer per hour. We will convert it in meter per second, so we have to multiply that number by 5 by 18. So it is 55 by 3 meter per second. So here the time taken by the train to cross the man is equal to cover the 220 meter, but at the rate of relative speed. So relative speed is 55 by 3. So it is 220 means length upon speed is 55 by 3. So it is 220 into 3 into 55. So 11 5 is 55, 11 2 is 25, 1 is 5, 5 2 4 is 20. So 4 3 is 12 seconds. So the train requires 12 seconds to cross the man. Okay. So next problem we will see in the next section. Thank you.